everyone, welcome to the channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss HTML video tag. This tag is very important and most commonly used tag in every web page in every HTML program. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 21, and students, if you miss any of the previous lecture, you can check the description box. I have added the complete playlist link over there. So in this video, we'll start with basic introduction part. After that, we'll move to the practical section where I will tell you that how you can write video tag and how you can use video tags attributes to your Notepad++. So let's move to the introduction part first. So as you can see here, HTML5 supports video tags also. So as in the previous lecture, we have discussed about HTML audio tag, and there we have discussed that audio tags we can use only in HTML5. So HTML, if students you are using HTML5 system, so video tag will definitely run on your systems. So HTML video tag is used for streaming video files such as movie clips, song clips on the web page. So currently there are basically 3 video formats supported by HTML video tags. That means you can use only 3 types of video formats in HTML5. First type is .mp4, that is a common type, that is general video file, right? Second is .webm and third is .ogg. So all these types are very important. Generally we use .mp4. So also here in this video we'll use .mp4 video format only. Next is the list of browsers that you can use with HTML5. So if we talk about mp4 format, so only Opera Mini is the browser that does not support mp4 file. And if we talk about WebM, that is the second file format, if we talk about WebM system, Internet Explorer and Apple Safari does not support this type of file format in HTML. And if we talk about third type, that is OGG, so Internet Explorer and Apple Safari does not support this type of video file, right? So if you are using Apple Safari browser, or if you are using Internet Explorer, so you will be you will not be able to use WebM and OGG as your general video file types. Generally in India we always use Google Chrome. So as you can see here in this table, we can use mp4, WebM and OGG in Google Chrome. So next we'll discuss some attributes that we can use along with the video tags. First attribute here we have is controls. So as in previous lecture we have already discussed that control attribute is a compulsory attribute if you want to use, or if you are using audio or video tags. Okay, so controls tag is compulsory tag. Remember this statement. For examination point of view, this particular slide is very important. So listen everything carefully. So control means it defines the video controls which is displayed with play pause button. So as you know, in case of audio and video files, play button, pause button, music up and down button is very important. That's why controls attribute is compulsory attribute. Second is height. If you want to set height of your video that you have uploaded on your web page, you can use the height attribute. If you want to change the width of your video, you can use the width attribute. Fourth attribute is poster. It specifies the image which is displayed on the screen when the video is not played. For example, if you pause the video that you have uploaded on your web page, the particular thumbnail or the particular image that you want to be displayed on that particular time, you can use the poster attribute. For poster attribute, you need to add a URL of that particular image that you want to be displayed at that time. Okay. Next attribute is autoplay. So it specifies that the video will start playing as soon as it is ready. So autoplay. Next is loop. That means if you want that video to get repeated, It specifies that the video file will start over again every time when it is completed. Next important attribute is muted. It is used to mute the video output. Next is preload, that is, it specifies the audio view to upload video file when the page loads. Next is source attribute. Source attribute is very important. We can say this is also one of the most compulsory attribute while using audio or video attributes, while using audio or video tags. So source, it specifies the source URL of the video file. Okay, so in case of video, controls height, width and source, these four attributes are very commonly used and most compulsory attributes, right? Next, I have added the example of video tag. So as you can see here in this example, we have started video tag and here we have closed the video tag. Okay, then controls, I have added control is the compulsory tag and source is the compulsory tag, and under this source tag, under this double inverted commas, you need to add the URL of that particular video that you want to upload, and type of the video or audio file is very important, right? So let's move to the practical section where I will tell you how you can write this tag and how you can run this video tag on your web browsers. So here I am writing basic HTML structure first, HTML head. Then we need to write the title tag. Title is video, then title. After that, we need to write the head section, then body. Then we need to close what? We need to close the body tag, and then we need to close the HTML, right? Now what we need to do is, first let me just save this file by using HTML extension, okay, video.html. Now let me just open this file. So here we have video.html. So you can see here, we have nothing, we have only title here, right? Now let's move to the basic structure, basic part. Here we need to write first video, and we need to close the video tag, right? So as I have told you so many times that with this video tag, controls attribute is the compulsory attribute. Without controls attribute, our video tag does not work properly, right? And under this video tag, we need to write the source. Source src is equals to, we need to copy the URL of that particular video. So here is my video. Let's check the properties. So copy the location first. This is basic step. We have discussed this so many times. After that, we need to write my video, that is name of the file, and then type of file is .mp4. .mp4, right? So this is file, save. And here I am writing type, that is one of the most important attribute of video tag. Type here is video /mp4. If you are using another attribute like OGG, so you will write here video /OGG. Okay, I'm using mp4 video, that's why I'm writing here mp4. Save this and run this program. So you can see here, this is the video I have uploaded. Now let me just play this for you. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So as you all know, we have started HTML lecture series. HTML is very important and interesting language. And if you want to learn HTML and CSS, follow our channel all about CSIT. So you can see this is how video will run on your web page. Okay. Now what we need to do is, we need to use another attributes like height and width. Okay. So let me just write here. Height is equals to, let's say 400. 400 what? It will automatically capture pixels. Okay. Width is equals to 400. Save. and refresh. Okay, let me just change this to 40%. 40%. Save and refresh. Okay. This height and width attributes are not working properly. So let me just check this. So here what we need to do is we need to write height and width over here. Let me just cut it from here and paste attributes here. Okay. Controls height 40% and width 40%. Save and refresh. So you can see this is how we can add height and width. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So as you all right, so you can add multiple videos to your web page. Now let me just make this more attractive. So what we need to write is hi, here I am adding my favorite video, right? So just let me just use break row, copy. So font tag, font color is equals to, let's say, blue, and font size, let's say 40, right? And what we need to do here is we need to close HTML font tag. Every time remember to close the tags. Okay, now refresh this. So hi, I'm adding my favorite video, right? If you want to scroll this particular heading, so what we need to do is we have already discussed so many times that to scroll, if you want to scroll any text or if you want to scroll any video, we always use marquee tag. So marquee, and here I'm closing marquee tag. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So as you all know, we have started HTML lecture series. HTML is very important and interesting language. And if you want to learn HTML and CSS, follow our channel all about CSIT. So this is how you can use HTML video tag. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.